Hi, my name's Shane Whitehead. I'm a Master Tech here at Smail Honda. I've been employed here for 15 years, almost 16 years now. So in high school, I went to the tech school, EWCTC. Joe Profeta, who was the manager here at the time, came in looking for some summer help. That's when I got hired. I ended up really liking it here. I liked the environment, all the coworkers and everything. After graduating high school, I decided to continue on with Honda, and I went to Penn College and got to the Honda Pack program. Graduated with my associate's degree, just been here ever since. I've always liked taking things apart and seeing exactly how they work, putting them back together, making sure they work right or better than they did before. I like solving problems, I guess. A typical day here could consist of a number of different things. You know, your basic maintenance work to in-depth, complicated diags. You go in each day not exactly knowing what you're going to get involved with. Every day is a little bit different. You have to have lots of motivation. You have to be willing to learn and change. Everything's evolving so quickly with hybrids, electric cars, that it changes fast, and there's a lot of new training. You know, we're doing weekly now. Achieved my ASE Master Tech when I was 21 years old. I achieved my Honda Master Tech when I was 22, so it was a year later. This past year, in 2023, I competed in the Honda Top Tech competition. I got to compete in the zone competition where I placed second, and that qualified me to compete in the national competition. In that competition, I placed second in the nation. I'm very proud of myself. It was a big accomplishment for me. I've been working here for 16 years, and I'm excited for what my future holds here at Smail Honda.